The foundations of early literacy are really summed up in 5 words: read, sing, talk, play, and write. These are all things that you can do at home in order to help your young child get ready for school. Today, I wanted to talk a little bit about that talking piece. For our youngest, our babies, our newborns, and our first years up to 18 months, up to 2 years old, the more we talk to them, the more it gives them context for the world around them. And it helps them learn about the world around them. By talking to them, if you're narrating what you're doing, you're showing and telling them what's happening. It helps increase their vocabulary. As we get older, the reason we like to talk, toddlers in particular, you have a really great opportunity. Often toddlers are starting to say one word at a time. And a great thing for you to do is to respond in turn. When we talk about shapes, a great way to sort of incorporate shapes is if a child holds up a book and says book, you can go, oh, that's right, that is a square book. Do you see the square? Or maybe you're having pizza and it's in the shape of a triangle and you say, and they say pizza and you go, yes, it's a triangle pizza. So look for ways that you can improve and to give them more context for some of the words that they're saying to you, and look for ways to incorporate shapes into that. Same thing goes with preschoolers, although we're a lot more chatty usually. But pointing out shapes, going on shape hunts together as we get older is another great way that we can sort of talk our way through what's different about these shapes, what's the same about these shapes. So talking to your children about shapes is actually going to help them in the long run get ready for school.